So here we are, starting to block sand it with the guide coat. The black stuff is that powder, graphite powder, and you sand it. The guide coat helps you again to sand it until once it's all one color, like here. Still got a little bit to go, but you can see there. Let me turn the light. Yeah, the focus doesn't work like crap. Anyway, you sand it until it's all nice and white. It's really smooth. And this is how I'm using right now. 320. After this, I'll go up to 400 and finish it off with 600. It's all nice and perfectly flat.